Okay, so you are not putting in the bone meal and the blood meal right now.
No.
When will that go?
That will go when we finish. We'll just scatter a little bit.
Oh, so you'll do that today? So what you'll do it staying away from the roots,
We'll
just kind of.
scatter a little bit around the plant, yeah. Just to
Okay.
scatter it.
Okay.
And these kale, you know, this kale will be ready to eat probably in 2-3 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah, we should have the kale, arugula, maybe beets for the next fish
And radishes.
I mean radishes. That's
Yeah.
Are you doing beets?
Yep.
Yeah, we got some beets.
How long does it take to grow beets? Never done it.
60 days maybe.
60 days.
2 months. So that means we should be able to harvest beets about the first week of May, maybe.
Stephen,
Okay.
Rapeseed?
Yeah, as in rapeseed. It's
Yeah.
rape as in rapeseed.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
What do you use it for?
It's green, so you just eat it as a green.
I know it's planted for cows, for meadows and things like that. So humans eat it?
Yeah, yeah, it's a vegetable. I mean, you don't eat this. You don't let it go to produce flowers. It's just a green vegetable. It's used a lot in Chinese cooking.
Gordon.
Do again.
What about the nasturtiums? Wherever you want, my friend, wherever you want. So we can just stick them like even in the.
On the way of getting your heart across to people and getting them to help support you. Oh, come on. Okay, when she answers, I will find out the name of that. It's an online thing.
Here, we're gonna put this one in, and you know,
They are empty. I just wanted. They're all in here. I can't stand everything. Do you make a pile and then go back and look at it a second time and say, you know, I can't do it. No, I just meant in case they wanted to use one lettuce. That's all we got.
oh, you did do one.
Go.
Yeah, we did, but there's the, yeah.
Was
No,
it
the only
there?
reason I was going to keep these, I didn't know if anybody wanted to look at what, you know. I think that's a good idea. Look at what variety.
Okay.
I think it's real good.
Okay.
But these are sweet.
And then put them over here.
Are you talking about me again?
Do we have another one of those separating things?
No,
Now we've got 2 plants here, look. Then we'll get 6 per bale.
You don't have to do it.
you want me to separate this, Stephen?
Oh, you on the list?
You can try.
They're awfully close.
I thought I was.
Here, come on. Hold that.
Neither of them would reach their potential.
Exactly.
It's direct channel.
Arugula,
3
rocket.
Something, up 360 somewhere. And, you know, just trying to teach people where food's coming from.
This is all loose, isn't it? On
There
the
were
edge.
6 people on
That's why I
board
wonder
which
if
2 were
turning them the other way
vegetarian,
might
so,
not be a better idea. So then they're bound
Yeah.
with the straw.
So this is cold weather stuff, some of which will be harvested within a month or so. Can you replant these bales this year?
Oh, absolutely.
You can.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what we're going to be trying to keep these bales full of plants that are going to produce food.
Throughout the growing season,
Right season.
2011.
We would expect to be harvesting stuff all the way through to November.
Okay.